candles glowing. It's a season, a time to thank Yahweh for the freedom. Through every battle you were fighting, now your light in us is rising. We stand together, no division, God in truth with holy vision. Just like the Maccabees in the night, we hold the line, we keep the light, and every flame reminds us we were chosen for this fight. Your presence all around us, your strength makes us shine. Light up the night, yeah. While your glory shines, every spark inside our souls is yours divine. We dedicate our hearts to you, just like our fathers used to do. Oh, 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 we light up the night with the 7 lights burning bright. Walls were broken, truth was shaken, but we rose up, your people awakened. Dedicated and consecrated, your set apart name elevated. From Judah's tribe to every nation, we proclaim your restoration. No matter what the darkness tries, your light in us will always rise. And every flame reminds us the promise still remains. Binds us, your power breaks the chains. Light up the night, yeah. Ooh, while your glory shines, every spark inside our souls is yours divine. We dedicate our hearts to you, just like our fathers used to do. Oh, 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 we light up the night with the 7 lights burning bright. Oh, we lift our praise, hands praised in your light. Restore our days like the days of